This is K-code and this is the part 3 of programming or HTML and CSS series, and we've been not uploading for a minute. Sorry for that interruption, and now we're going to continue our course, which is about HTML image. Uh, a picture is worth a thousand of words. Web page with image gets more view, rank higher in search results, and gets shared more on social media. Do you know that the human brain can understand image more than text, like in faster way? And web page with image is more usable and more accessible than web page with only text. We're going to continue. Images only require one tag to be displayed on your web page. What's the HTML tag for the image element? This is the paragraph element, as I told you before. This is the heading element, which we learned in the part 3 of our HTML CSS series. And this is the image element, which is used for inserting an image in our web page or website. Images are not technically inserted into web page; they are linked. The source of the image needs to be included on a tag. This is the image tag. This src means source, and we're going to link where the image is. img. You need to tell the browser where to find the image. The source is the location on the internet where the image is stored. As I told you before, src means source, and this is the property like that's used to link our image in the web page. Web browsers request information from the web to put together and display web pages. Code documents and media files such as images and videos are put together by the browser to display the resulting web page. Web servers are computers that are always connected to the internet and continuously listening for requests of information. Servers are like they are always connected, and when you request the information, they are going to send you some information. That is the complicated part of computer science. We're going to cover in another series of on this channel. Make sure that you're subscribed so you won't miss computer science videos like this one. The source in the image point to the server where the image can be found. Yeah, in this server, uh, there are images, text, web page, paragraphs, uh, written things. And uh, if you have the link, you can access them and you can put them in your web page or website wherever you're creating. There is a vast amount of information on the web page. Where does all this information live? In servers that are listening for requests of information in the user's device accessing the web. No, the second is not the correct answer because the user device have a memory, but it's going to store the operating system in the user's files plus the files that the user downloaded from the server. Mm, So the answer is going to be the first one. The URL is a location or address on the web. The image URL needs to be enclosed in either single or double quotes. I'm going to explain this in more easier way. Imagine there's a hospital in your town and you ask somebody where the hospital is in. He's going to give you paths. The URL is like the path, and the HTML is going to find the image using that path, like http www image.png. He's going to go to that server and he's going to seek that image and it's going to give us or it is going to display it in our web page. The broken image icon is usually shown in web page when something is wrong with the image. The code below contains an error. As a result, the image won't be displayed on the page. Run the code to see what the web will display. I'm going to run the code. And this is not working as it says. So there's a problem with this link. Let's follow that link. Great. We can insert an image by doing img. Let's reset the code. Let's copy the code. So we're going to use this for inserting an image, and we're going to use the img tag source. We're going to paste the image, and we're going to close. And here is the image. So now it's working. The img tag is used to tell the HTML that this is an image, and the source is, as I told you before, it's going to tell the HTML where the source of the image is, or it's going to seek, it's going to find that image from the server. You can now include 4 different types of elements in your web page. Let's put that into practice. We learned about headings, we learned about paragraph, and we learned about buttons too. And now we're going to practice that. The web browser will struggle to understand your code if there are errors. This can result in missing elements. Errors in HTML can include including quotation marks, missing tags, and typos in general. Can you fix these errors? Uh, I'm going to give you 10 seconds for this paragraph error. I'm sure that you solved this error because I taught you about this before. The error is this is the opening tag of paragraph, and this is the closing tag of paragraph. But the closing tag of paragraph is written as the opening tag of paragraph. So we are going to write it back here. So this is, we have changed this paragraph into a closing tag. The problem with this img tag, I'm going to give you 10 seconds. The problem with this img element is we forgot this place, and there's a big problem with this button element, and we're going to fix that together. This must be slash the closing tag, and we are going to add an opening tag here. So here is the code. Yeah, and we forget, let's run the code again. Yeah, now we solve this problem again, and we're going to continue our course. Images don't require closing tags. One tag img is enough to link an image to the web page. Image tags are example of empty or non-container tags. This is an easy question. Image or img. Type type in to add the image source. It's easy. He's giving us the answer. You can copy this. You can paste this here. Yeah. So the lesson takeaway for the HTML and CSS lesson part 4 is images can be linked or embedded in web page. We can link them from any web page. I can go here and say uh, cut image, image, cut image, and I can copy image address, and I can replace this URL with this one, and take a look. You see? So uh, the place where this cat image is the server, and I tell the HTML to seek that cat image, and he replaced the tree image with the cat image since I also changed the URL. Images don't require clothing tags as we've discussed before, and the source or URL of the image is needed for the image to be found on the internet. In the next module, you'll start uh, applying some of the standards in basic practices that web designers and developers use to create real pages. Uh, Now this is the in for our HTML and CSS part for course, and make sure that you're subscribed so you won't miss the courses which I'm going to upload in the future. And you can click the like, and you can also turn on the notification so that you are going to be notified whenever I upload. Thanks.